How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some Kegel exercises that you guys can do at home. If you guys are interested, please comment below in the comment section if you're interested in personal training. So we're going to get started. I'm going to show you guys an exercise, and make sure you are following along at home to see the best results. This is how you're going to get results, by following along with me during the video. So the first exercise that we're going to do, you guys, is going to be reverse crunches. This exercise will hit your Kegels, and it's a phenomenal exercise. So we're going to do about 15-20 reps. Take a break, keep doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your feet should never touch the ground. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, I got a lot of comments in my videos saying that you guys like the puppy. So I'm going to allow her to stay in the videos. She always wants to play, but I have to make the video. So she's very sassy. She'll tell me it's a girl puppy. She's not a puppy, she's 2 years old, but I like to call her puppy. She always wants to play. And she likes pets. You gotta pet her, you guys. Okay, we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Not only will this hit your Kegels, but it's also going to hit your abs. So if you guys want six-pack abs, this will help you get six-pack abs too. Again, the key for doing this exercise is making sure that you don't touch your feet to the ground. They should always just be hovering above the ground. This puts all of the pressure on your lower abs, and it will also put pressure on your Kegels, so you can hit the Kegel muscle, you guys. So this exercise is one of my go-tos if I'm really trying to help a client with their Kegel muscles. They're trying to get them better. This will be the exercise I go to. I have other exercises. I have tons of exercises, you guys, so I will show you all of them through video, and just make sure you guys follow along at home. That's all I ask of you guys. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Hey, puppy. Take a little bit of a break. We'll do it again. So again, this workout, it's pretty tough because we're doing basically 15 reps every minute. We're going to do it for 10 minutes. That's going to be around 150 repetitions that we do, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Just like that, you guys. That's how we're going to get results. So again, make sure you guys are following along at home if you want to see results. Now she wants to play. Puppy wants to play. She's barking at me to play. Okay, do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Followed by a 30-second break, then we will redo it. And trust me, you guys. Now, if anyone's interested in how my weight's going, if you guys know, I was cutting weight. I'm still cutting weight. I started at 206. I'm now down to my lowest weigh-in is 193. So I've dropped 13 pounds already. So it's going really well. Hoping to get down to about 189, 188 by next week or so. Drop 3-4 pounds. And yeah, feeling really good. Weight's coming off, muscle still being maintained, starting to see a lot of veins too. So we'll get started. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But yeah, I like how you cut weight, and as you're cutting weight, veins slowly start to come in. So again, I'm not super lean right now. I get super like shredded when I'm at about 175 or so. So I still have a ways to go, but the weight is coming off 13 pounds. I'm pretty happy with that. Just got to keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is her favorite ball, you guys. Favorite ball. She loves it. I'm not playing with her though because she is sick. She hasn't been feeling good lately, so she's going to the vet. So I really don't want to play with her. I don't want to make her run or anything like that. Just let her relax. But she's barking. She's telling me she wants to play. Okay, you guys, if you've been following along, we're almost done. We have 2 more sets, and then we are done. Keep following along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So that's 135 repetitions we have done. If you guys have been following along at home, hopefully you have been. 1 more set, then that is it. We are completely done. End of workout. You should feel it in your abs. You should feel it in your kegel muscles as well, you guys. So we will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That is the end of the workout. Amazing job for whoever followed along at home with me. Now, I get asked all the time by people, how do you get the best results? I will get you guys the results. All you have to do is follow along with me with these workouts. Trust me, you don't need anything fancy. I know all these people on YouTube, they're showing you all these fancy exercises, all this special stuff that you need to do. Very simple, you guys. 1 or 2 exercises, do it a couple of times a week, 3-4 times a week. Watch your diet, you'll get shredded. Trust me on this, you guys.
end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.